What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and a couple months ago I created an online course, and this was based on something that I actually know how to do, which is editing videos. And I created a course based on a specific software that would teach people how to edit videos. This was a bunch of tutorials which were about 2 hours long, I believe, and I made that into a course, and I used Udemy to publish that. So today I want to talk about how much money I actually made from that, because that is actually passive income. Nothing is ever fully passive income. You have to put in some type of work. So for this, the most work I do is maybe reply to some questions that the students might have, and I usually set some time in the morning to look at the questions. But I'm going to be going into the details in a little bit here so I can really show you the numbers based on the amount of time that I have to put into this, which is close to nothing. This is truly passive. All right, so without wasting any time, I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the computer so you guys can see the numbers. You can see the money here. So the total revenue is $122.83, and for this month, this is $23.26. This is on the platform called Udemy, where you can publish courses, and they verify everything. So every course you're gonna see on this website is legit because they manually look at every video that someone uploads for it to be in the course. So this is kind of like an overview of what this is. So essentially, if you look in the beginning here, you can see that the first time I was paid was in December, which is when I created the course, which was $32. So they pay you every month. The average pay I've been getting has been a little over $23. As you can see, in January it was 23, in February it was 21, and then we went to 21, and then 23. Alright, so if you look on the students here, you're going to see that I have a total of 27 students, and this month I've gained about 5 new students, which is the average for every month. You can see here. So initially it was 7, went down to 5, 4, 6, and then 5, right? So that's the average for now. This is normal for something that's new. And looking on the rating here, you can see that this is a highly rated course. With the most I've gotten was, I believe, 4.6. And it just goes up and up, and the average rating is 4.5, which is really great. Alright, so as of this month, I've received 1 rating, only because someone has to actually finish the course before they can rate the course, right? So you kind of like have to wait for people to finish the course. So we're going to go to traffic and conversion here. So this is going to give you a lot more detail when it comes to how your course is performing and how it's being marketed. So before I even get into this, let's go to the revenue share. So there's 2 types on here. So if I wanted to promote my own course, which I actually don't do, I would be able to get 97% of the revenue. That means I have a special link that I have to give to people, and if they sign up for the course using that link, I'm going to be able to get 97%. Now, the other side is going to be, you have the platform, which is Udemy, do everything for you. All the marketing, they have influencers, they have partners that that market all the courses. They're going to take 50% of the revenue, which is a lot, but they're doing all the work, and all you have to do is make your course, send it to them to approve, and they handle everything. So we just looked up the name of the editing program that I have my course on. You can see that there's somebody here that has about 299 ratings, which is number 1. But the great thing is that mine actually shows up on the main page. So this is my course right here, and you can see that the actual price is $59.99. But since the platform, which is Udemy, is promoting this and marketing it, they do a bunch of deals, and they'll cut the price as to however low they want it to be. And once someone purchases the course, they'll take 50% and you receive 50%. And you can also see that my course is actually 2 hours long. There's 27 lectures, which is pretty great. So going back to the numbers here. So looking at here, so this is going to give you a great overview of when it comes to the visitors that are looking at your course, the conversion rate. So if I click on my course here, this is actually the landing page, right? So I have about 842 landing page visitors in the past 12 months. So if we let's look at 30 days. So on a monthly basis, we have an average of 333 landing page visitors, and the conversion rate is 1.5, right? So conversion rate is essentially how many people visit the page and how many are actually buying the course, right? So let's go back to last 12 months. You can see that we have a pretty average conversion rate. All right, so in December of 2020, when the course was published, we had a 6.32 conversion rate, which means that out of 95 people that visited the website, 6 actually went and bought a course. So it goes on and on. You can see that for March we have 5.13. All right, so if you go down here, this actually tells me how people are finding my course. So as you can see here, the number 1 source is going to be the Udemy ads and affiliates. So Udemy does everything. They do ads, Facebook ads, Instagram. They have affiliates. There's been about 259 visitors. All right, so that is pretty much it. As you can see, this is a great way to make passive income if you know how to do something, create a course so you can teach other people and you can get paid at the same time. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to grow. I believe it has so much room to grow to make way more money than it's making right now. But I'll post an update maybe a couple months from now showing you guys how much money it's making now. But I think this is a great way to make passive income. Alright, so let me know if you guys like these types of videos where I talk about how to make passive income. And also make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at GoatNash. If you have any questions, I always reply to all the messages. And if you want to see updates, that's going to be on Instagram. But make sure to go and hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.